Hi and welcome to a follow-up video on my mobile pinning station. This Leatherman adapt kit has proven to be the perfect option for me. So let me share how I configured this and maybe you will be inspired to get something similar. But let's have a look what I have in here. First of all, the nice thing about it is that it's so solid that it's able to stand on the table without falling over. But if we put it down here, in the back here I keep some documents with codes and decoding sheets for my D12 and other Ruko systems. And in this main compartment here I keep all my small pin kits, like this one with all my driver pins, and then I have my 500 and 600 and my small parts and my D12 kit over here. So this is just random bits and pieces that might be needed. So something, if you drop one, you can grab it from here if accidents happen. And as well in here I keep my different pliers, crimping pliers, locking ring pliers, C-clip pliers, everything is in here. And if we put this back up, in this side I keep my illuminated follower. I'm just protecting it inside some piece of electrical tubing to protect, because these are not so sturdy because they're 3D printed and they're quite shallow in the construction. So this is my illuminated follower. This one is a green one, and in the other side I keep my small power bank. This one is the one with the noisy audio pitch, but the good thing about this is that it stays lit and even with a low power consumption, so that's why it's in there. Plus it fits perfectly in the side pocket, so that goes in there. And now for the main compartment, the most important of them all. So if I'm on a repin job, the first thing I'll do is open the big compartment, grab any pliers I might need, and then the pinning sets that I need for the type of lock that I'm sitting with. And then we open here. This is where the magic happens. So here I have my cylinder holder. I have this small plastic tray just for screws and parts, and then my T8, T9 screwdriver that is essential for Rukos. And if we zoom in on the back panel here, I have my two followers for the 5 and the 600s. Then in here I have this small pill bottle, and it contains some shims as well as my sectional followers if that should ever be needed. Hopefully not. I hate dealing with those kind of things. Then I have a small flashlight that I can use to illuminate the whole tray if I'm in a dark spot. And then I have some tweezers up here. Then I have my tailpiece remover for the mailbox locks is here. And then I have some step keys. These are a 1, 2, 3 key, a 4, 5, 6, and a 7, 8, 9 key. And these are my key blanks for shimming. And on this I keep this window cylinder, so it's only here because it's convenient that it has this hole at the end that I can repurpose for a ring. So I always have this. So if I need to check a pin in a pitch, I can put the right one of these three in and dump the pin in the appropriate chamber and match that it's flush, and I know that it's the right pin if I need to pin something up without having the actual key for the project. Then up here I have my S core tailpiece remover for this one. This one is the one that fits on here and can unscrew these. They can also be taken with some pliers if you're in a pinch, but this is the right tool for it from Ruko. And over here I have this nice thing that some of you might have seen in action in other videos, but this is my top pin loader, where you just put the top pins in here, your drivers, and you close this up and you push it in the Bible, turn it so this slides back as it approaches, and when you push this in it will push all the drivers up, and then you follow this back out and your Bible is loaded with all the drivers. And on top of that I just have a long extra T8 driver in case I misplace the other one and need one in a pinch. As well as here I have a T8 and a posse number 1 regular 1/4 inch bits that I can put in my bit driver if needed. So yeah, I must say this is absolutely perfect, because when you are dealing with graphite and oily locks and everything and you are out sitting in a customer's house, you don't want to drop things on their kitchen desk or worktops or maybe dinner table or wherever you conveniently can sit and just rekey their locks while you are visiting. So this is absolutely perfect. So yeah, just want to say it was expensive, but for me this was the right thing to get. So hopefully I have inspired some. Maybe this just tells you that this is definitely not for you, or it might be for you, I don't know, it's up to you to decide, but this is my take on a portable pinning station for Ruko locks. So yeah, and the good thing, even if you have some old pins and everything, you just toss everything in here, because you can lift this and close it like this and then zip it up and put it away without dropping pins on people's floors and everywhere. So yeah, all for this one. Till the next one. Bye for now.